drive today, and we're gonna go to the Caroni Bird Sanctuary. So we're taking you guys with us. We're just gonna check it out. We heard there's a new like a boardwalk jetty thing that they built. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what it's like, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now we're just waiting for Amara and Ariel. Amara done gas up already. Oh, and Ariel met a friend. Ariel, don't touch him. It's a lot. That one just like Pixie. Come, Ariel, let's go.
Ariel, get the bag for me.
Amara there. You ready to roll out? Amara looking at the kitties. Oh, the place is so peaceful and nice here. Have some clean facilities. Guys, so this is the boardwalk. It's really nice. What?
The fish flipping.
Oh, there's a fish right there, guys. The fish now jump right there. Ooh. Wow, I see that. The mangroves right there. And it's really peaceful. A plane in the sky. This feels just like something similar to the mangrove plantations in Tobago. Something similar. at the mangroves. Really pretty. Amazing. Amara na Amara. Hi Amara.
Yeah, mama.
Ariel there. The umbrella.
Crazy umbrella.
Flip up in the air. Amara is going crazy for the cats. Bye. It's really peaceful here. So today we didn't come prep to go to the tours. The tours that usually take you to see the scarlet ibis and the rest of the wildlife. Because we have Amara here with us, so we don't want to take her on the boat. She's too small right now. So we just brought her here to the boardwalk. She could see that. But you can take your boats here to go down to the place where you can get to see the birds and stuff. Cat. 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 Look at all these crab holes. Hi Amara. What Ariel and Amara up to?
A pretty crab bites you.
That crab?
Yeah.
Where?
There is little one.
That was a big one.
Watch them, watch them.
You really have crabs there. Have a lot.
Daddy, this one of mine. I want to get a video of the crab. Watch them, mommy.
Ariel getting some shots with the crabs down there. Getting some shots, Ari. Is that an anaconda there?
Wait, dear, stop it. I want to catch one in.
You wanna catch a crab? Oh, this is where the boats just come up. No entry beyond this point.
That's so scary because they can't even.
The place is so peaceful and so scenic.
When it comes to this big fish, come fast, come.
You have to come easy so we can scare it. Oh wow, I am seeing it.
Ready?
Oh my god, that's a big fish. Oh my god, that's a big fish.
Ready?
I know.
Yeah, anything, if you had anything. Ready?
I don't know if you guys are seeing this. There's a fish right here, a good sized one. The water is so clean, you could see him swimming around.
I have him on video right now. Oh
Whoa,
my god.
he's so big.
Hindi na tilapia.
Yeah, it looked like a tilapia.
If we had a...
The place is so scenic.
Mommy, look, this coconut tree is so small and a coconut growing from it already.
No, I have coconut tree this good.
Look at this passageway. So cool. This boat gonna move out.
Yeah.
But that part
Gonna start up the engine. Our toy is gonna go out now.
when you're going to the city bus, that's what you just turned right there?
Yeah, còn trên miền chẳng là gì?
Oh, and so is...
Carpool stores, guys. Every mangrove full of mango again. Bye! Bye, Mara! Get out there.
Mara, bye. Mara, turn. Mara. Bye.
So pretty here, eh? Scallop ibis,
Green,
greenback
heron.
heron,
Black conch.
black conchs. Look at that. So these are stuff you would see in the Caroni Bird Sanctuary. You saw the iguana?
The iguana.
That looked like a real.
I see them all over there. That one I was